As promised, I am back with the full in-depth review of iPhone 13 Pro. So let's get started. So let's look at the design of the phone first. It's a 6.1-inch OLED screen. The front is protected by ceramic shield and the borders are with surgical stainless steel. The camera bump has become a little larger than the last year, and the notch, as you can see, is 20% smaller than the last year's iPhone 12 Pro. And for the first time, Apple has introduced 120Hz refresh rate Super Retina display. DisplayMate, the highly recognized company, has already awarded this the best display on any phone. You can play any game, watch any video, you will feel the difference. Let's check it out. It would be somewhat difficult for people to recognize 120Hz display of iPhone 13 Pro. But if you use it for 1 to 7 days and then you are given a 60Hz display, you will absolutely find the difference. The difference is huge. This time Apple has taken a leap in display and the display is outstanding. Now let's come to the performance of the phone. This phone is powered by A15 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU. The gaming performance, the day-to-day usage, everything is tremendous. It's the world's fastest smartphone chip and the app opening time of this phone is very fast. And especially the gaming. The game opens pretty quick. First we tested everyone's favorite, BGMI, or say PUBG. BGMI is an intensive graphics game. As you can notice, there aren't any frame drops. I don't play much, but being a technical person, I can assure you that it runs pretty smooth. You'll enjoy playing this game with the highest of graphics. Then I switched to another battle royale game. As you know, Garena has launched another version of Free Fire, which is Garena Free Fire Max. The graphics of this game has been improved a lot, and now it comes in the category of graphics intensive games. iPhone 13 Pro plays this game pretty well without a single lag. I think the graphics of this game comes out more beautiful on this device. And now comes Call of Duty, the most graphics intensive game. The excellent frame rates help this game to run like no other phone can do. Even after so much of gaming, the phone doesn't heat up and there are no lags at all. This phone is a beast for gaming and a heaven for gamers. The A15 Bionic chip on this phone has been optimized so beautifully that even being the fastest, the battery backup is quite huge. It has taken a leap this time. Even if after using the phone for a full day, there is 30 to 40% battery left at the end of the day, and that's a big margin. Now comes the most interesting section, which you all must have been waiting for. So for that, let's go outside. So here we are at the outdoors for the in-depth camera review of iPhone 13 Pro. Come with me. So first we are going to witness the macro mode, which has been first time included on iPhone, and it seems awesome. Wow, that's great. Come, let's take more. Yeah, it automatically switches to macro mode when you come close to the subject. Let's look at some of the macro shots that has been taken. This is the wide angle lens and it seems beautiful. Yeah, the HDR has been maintained and the picture is quite sharp. This was the wide angle lens. Now we go back to 1x. And now the telescopic zoom, that is 3x. And yes, the pictures are quite gorgeous. Nice. The HDR has been well maintained. See the clouds. Now it's time for our favorite portion, that is portrait mode. Yeah. Nice. Let's go closer to the subject. I think this is amazing work from iPhone 13 Pro. See the clarity, the edge detection, everything seems quite perfect. Awesome. This is the video 4K at 60 fps. It looks amazing. The colors are quite natural. And we can also zoom it to 3x. See the sharpness. It's amazing. Now it's time for some cinema. This is the cinematic mode, which has been first time introduced on an iPhone, and it looks quite a bit beautiful. Yeah, the edge detection is quite nice. The cinematic mode is also on the front cameras. It looks mesmerizing. The focus automatically shifts from one person to another. See, the focus is on her and now it's on me. Now comes the nighttime videos. See the darkness all around. And now check the amount of light the 13 Pro captures. Click it and it takes 3 seconds. And then boom, the photograph. See the details. Absolutely amazing. A lot of details. Great work by 13 Pro. Let's look at another example what the 13 Pro does in the night mode. It's just amazing. The photo is being taken and see a very bright photo with a lot of details. I just love this night mode of iPhone 13 Pro. After using this phone for almost a week, I have experienced some pros and cons of the phone, so that I'll tell you in this video. The pros are the camera. The cameras have been upgraded from the last iPhone 12 Pro and it's a big upgrade. Talking about the display has taken a leap. It's a sharp display. Then comes the battery. The battery is upgraded and it has been upgraded to a large extent. Means the battery backup is tremendous. And after this comes the performance. Performance is top notch. Actually, all the Apple iPhones are having a very good performance, but exclusively this iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, the performance are top notch. Now let's talk about the cons of the phone. First of all, I feel that the same design that has been used in 11, 12 Pro, the same design is again used for 13 Pro. And this notch, Notch has again not been removed. All the other phones have taken out the notch and kept a punch hole display, but the notch still remains on the iPhone. And third is the cinematic video. The cinematic video, as per my experience, is a hit and miss. Sometimes you get a very good video and sometimes it lacks age detection. So the time comes for the final verdict. If you want the best camera, the best display, the best performance and the best battery, you should definitely go for this phone without any doubt. No other phone can match this. I would highly recommend this. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.